Good morning, guys and gals. Welcome back to the channel, Debo D. The Stealth got a new motor about 200 miles ago, so we are going to be heading over to the parts store to grab some oil and an oil filter. We'll get it up on the ramps. We'll do its first oil change. Stay tuned. Before we get started then, we're going to have to pull the Stealth out of the garage. I got to sweep it. I got to clean it. It's just been sitting here and all the crud has been blowing underneath it. It's actually a kind of decent day today. They are calling for rain, so I'd rather have the car flipped around so I can pull it up on the ramps, and I can do it just in case we get a torrential downpour. I'm not doing it outside in the middle of the driveway. We are to the point where we can either get snow, rain, it could be feel like summer. Yeah, we have all 4 seasons in a day. So I'll get this flipped around, we'll get it put up, and take it from there. Now, because I don't have any fancy lifts, I still have the good old traditional ramps. We're going to flip the Stealth around and put the front end up in the air on the 2 ramps. And yes, I stalled it, bringing it up the ramp. So, of course, you're going to see that I changed clothes, and it's not really that I changed clothes, it's just that it's 4 days later. After I got the car up on the lift, of course, the quad needed to be worked on, and by the time I was done, it started torrential downpouring, and the following day we ended up getting snow, so, you know, it's like trying to find time to get in and actually do it. So, after I rooted around and found a 19 millimeter wrench, I was able to at least break the nut loose, and we're going to drain the oil. Good news is that when I did drain the oil, there was no metal particles at all, so it was a pretty successful first oil change. That's going to wrap up today's video. If there's anything else additional that you'd like to see me do to the Stealth, post your comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.